Well, today we are learning more about what you need to know to keep your home safe this summer. Rusty Wise and Scotty Hutchins joins us from Mr. Sparky with what we need to have and pay attention to in our homes. Welcome to the show, gentlemen. How you doing?
Thanks for having us.
All
Great
right.
to be here.
We need to talk about the most important thing about water safety and electric shock drowning, because that is a big issue during this time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is what we're finding out around lakes and especially swimming pools. But around lakes, we keep building a lot of docks, you know, and marinas, and like Lake Norman and Lake Wiley used to not have a lot of docks. Well, now everybody's putting these docks that are energized, and you're not supposed to swim within 100 yards of an energized dock. So what we're finding out, a lot of these docks are not wired properly. Like you could build a new dock and it be wired perfect. When you do that, it's grounded good, so it starts receiving energy from across the cove of the guy that wired his buddy wired it for a case of beer or something. So now we have voltages running through the lakes. It also could happen in the pools too.
So when we see people drowning in water like that, it could be electrical voltage. It's not something that can stop your heart, things of that nature, correct?
Oh, it's like, you know, 5 milliamps. And an Olympic swimmer, if they receive just 5 milliamps, it could cost them their life. I mean, Olympic swimmer. And it only takes a second, and people say, well, why don't fish die? Well, see, fish have scales. And as humans, we're not really made for water. We don't have webbed feet, we don't have scales. And so just a little bit of electricity will cause you to freeze. And they're finding that a lot of these accidental drownings are actually caused by electricity in the water.
So what's that device right here? Did you have, Mr. Scotty?
This right here is a shock alert. So what we do is we actually go around the pool or the lake or dock, and we'll drop it in, go around, turn every appliance on, like your lights, your pumps, or anything you have around the pool or dock, and then we check it. If it starts beeping like it did when it first came on, that means there's something in the water.
All right, let's talk about now. Let's move on to LED lighting and outdoor lighting, because that is a big thing. Everybody wants to make their yard look really good.
Yeah, this is a lot of fun. LEDs come a long way, and a couple weeks ago we did some lighting for a kitchen with all different colors, as you can see, and you can basically tailor your home and your outside patio like blue for the Panthers or
yes,
teal for the Hornets, and you can actually theme your house now with certain colors, and it comes with a remote, and you know, some of the lights dance, so you can actually theme your house by colors now, which is something you couldn't do a few years ago.
So what services does Mr. Sparky offer?
Go ahead, Scotty. What all
we do
do
electrical panels, we do outlets, we check docks and pools, backup generators. Basically anything that you think an electrician might do, we do it. So,
yeah, and also that your guys are all certified guys who know exactly what they're doing when they come into your home.
Yeah, we constantly train, certify them. We cover the whole Charlotte DMA. If you see Mr. Sparky, I mean, the big red trucks, no malarkey, call Mr. Sparky. So we're 24/7, just call us.
All right, well, thank you both, gentlemen, indeed. And I think, what's your information, what's your website?
MrSparkyCharlotte.com and 888-8-SPARKY.
Okay, thank you very much, gentlemen.
Thanks for having us.